In the quiet of a home study, a student confronts a daunting textbook, their struggle palpable. Words materialize on the screen, a beacon of hope, asking, "Struggling with long readings?" The scene transforms, revealing the Speechify interface as a PDF document is smoothly uploaded, a promise of effortless understanding. A voiceover declares, "Turn any text into natural-sounding audio with Speechify." A split screen unveils two paths to knowledge, one student absorbed in the tactile turning of textbook pages, the other immersed in the sound of Speechify, both worlds promising focus and understanding. As the scene unfolds, the words, "Read faster, focus better" appear, boldly underscoring the promise of enhanced learning and heightened concentration. A voice gently narrates, "Perfect for auditory learners and accessible to all," painting a vivid picture of inclusivity and innovation in education. Within the bustling animation studio, a Speechify tutorial unfolds, revealing a simple path: upload, choose, play. The voice proclaims, "Human, like voices in multiple languages are available," hinting at a world of linguistic diversity and emotional depth. A comparative revelation dawns as the narrator declares, "Now, let's compare the free versus premium features," setting the stage for a pivotal choice. Amidst the daily grind, a student harnesses the power of Speechify, transforming their commute into a mobile study session. With Speechify, learning transcends the classroom, turning every moment into an opportunity for growth and enlightenment. The narrator proclaims, "Make studying easier than ever."